So, hello students. Today we have seen the syntax of the loop, how we will use. Today we will see the practically how we will use it. I am go to the file mode and I will open. Today we have discussed the loop has four parts. First one is initialization. Second one is a test condition, and the third one is a body loop, and the fourth one is the update statement. So today let me to mark it as a comment. Today we'll see the example of while loop. So we are going to display number from 1 to 20. How we will do? First we will do the initialization. So I will create one variable a is equal to 1. Then I will use the while loop with the test condition. What is the condition? Ki a less than equal to 20. We will use the indent, so it will consider as a loop part, and then I will write here print a, so that is the body loop. Then I will use the update statement. That one is about a is equal to a plus 1. Here loop is a very easy to understand, because if we want to display any work, yeah, any statement, yeah, we want to execute any statement again and again till the certain condition, so we have to tell the compiler from where it may start, when it will terminate, and what the work it will do, and which type of update statement we will use here. So a is equal to 1, a less than equal to 20, print a. Now see here what the output will come. I have to save it to the desktop, loop 1, and I run here. So look here, display number 1 to 20. Now you know very well, if we want it may display with the same line with some space, so we have to write like that. Clear? Now if we want to display number from 1 to 20 even number, so we all know that between 1 to 20 even number will start from 2, and for example if you will see, after the 2 even number is a 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, then 14, then 16, then 18, then 20. Here what are the gapping between these numbers? Gapping of two numbers. So the starting point is 2. What we have to do, we have to display the number. What is the operation statement? We have to increase the value by 2. So here a is equal to, what we will do, a will start from 2, a will go maximum up to the 20. Clear? What we have to do, we have to display the number, and what is the operation? A is equal to a plus 2. Now see here, if you want it may display the odd number, so odd number means it may start from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. So from where it has to go? From A, and it has to go up to the less than 20. Done only. So look here, it displays the odd number from 1 to 19. So this is a simple programs which we have made by using the loop statement. Now we will see the bigger programs. Already you have done, that is only revision class, so we are learning how we will use. This is another first type while loop. Now we can also do this work by using the for loop. How the for loop is working? For I in a range, in the range what we are giving starting value. What is the starting value? From 1. Where it has to go? 2. Look here, and we have to write here print I. In the for loop there is one advantage, it may do the by default updating statement by increasing the value one by one. So look here, example, 1 to 19, 20. 20 also came, but we have not done here in same line. So I will do and is equal to space. Now look here, clear? Look, in the range we have given from 1 to 20, this 20 is not included. Clear? If we want to display up to the 20, so I will go one extra number, means I will go up to the 21. So it may display what? 1 to 20. Clear? By default, the for loop is increasing the value one by one. If we want, it may increase the value 2 by 2. So one more comma and I will give here 2. So now look here, the value increases by 2. If I want to do, it may increase 3 by 3. Look here, 147. If we want, it may increase number by 4. So I will write here comma 4. If I want, it may increase by 5. So I will write here 5. Clear? So that is the for loop. So we can use the for loop like that. Now we will see some programs by using that one. Compared to the for loop, while loop is a more easy because it has a clear statement to declare initialization, text condition, body loop update. But students, you are more comfortable with the for loop, but we have to know very well about the while loop. We have to make most of the program by using the while loop, because it has given the clear idea how to do initialization, test condition, body loop, update statement. Mostly you have done work with the for. Now in this 12th class, we will mostly work on the while loop. So here, the first program we are going to make to display the sum of digit. Sum of digit means if we have entered here some number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So computer may display 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 213, 36, 410, 15. So what we will do? I will take one number input, int, input, enter the number, and here to get the input to sum, we need one sum variable, and we will also use one variable to get the remainder is equal to 0. When the loop we have to run till that the value of a is greater than 0, we have to write here remainder is equal to a modulus 10, and we have to write a is equal to a divided by 10. Look here, we will use here float division because we want in the form of integer, we do not want in the part of float, otherwise the value will come 1.2.3.45 like that. And then after, what we need, whatever the remainder we have got, we have to add it in a sum, and in the last we have to display the sum of digit is equal to sum. We have given 1 2 3 4 5. Output will got 1, sorry, acha, sorry, I write here remainder, I have to write 1 2 3 4 5. I got here 15, but I told to get the result in this format. So what we have done, I think you all are understanding in the 11th class how this loop is working. Once again, you may see here by using the interaction mode I want to show you. So let me to run once again. One. Okay, look here. We have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we are dividing by 10, what the number we are getting? We got the remainder 5, clear? And then again we have done 10. So what the quotient we got? Means if we want to find out the sum of digit like that, so we have to get each digit separately. So firstly what we got? 5, this 5. Clear? Then what the quotient we are getting by dividing 1, 2, 3, 4. Again in the 1, 2, 3, 4, we will do the remainder by 10. So we are getting 4 this one. Again in that we will do 4 divided by 10. So we will getting 1, 2, 3. Again we 1, 2, 3 divide by 10 remainder. Again 1, 2, 3 10. Again 12 remainder 10. We are getting 2. Again 12 divided by 10, we are getting 1. Again 1 modulus 10, we will get 1. And again 1 divided by 10. Look here, in the last what we have got? 0. That's why I wrote here condition ki a greater than 0. I think you understand this all very nicely ki how it is working one by one I did here. Clear? Okay. So thank you friend for the loop. That much today only, otherwise it will become more lengthy for you.